Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanjay Das. Today I am going to provide you several multiple choice questions of mechanics, chapter 5 on the topic of fluid dynamic, which is the last topic of mechanics. So please be with me. If you are new in my channel, then please like, subscribe and press on the bell icon for getting notification of my new videos. Before starting this video, I will tell you about coefficient of viscosity for some fluids. Table for coefficient viscosity for some fluids. Air at 20 degree Celsius, the viscosity is 0.018 into 10 to the power minus 3. Where the air is at 40 degree Celsius, then the viscosity is 0.019 into 10 to the power minus 3. Another water is at 0 degree, then the viscosity is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. 20 degree 1.00 into 10 to the power minus 3. 40 degree 0.66 into 10 to the power minus 3 degree, and at 100 degree 0.28 into 10 to the power minus 3. And the fluid blood at 37, that is body temperature, is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Glass 575 degree Celsius, 1.1 into 10 to the power 12. Glycerin at 20 degree Celsius, 1500 into 10 to the power minus 3. And at last hydrogen is at 0 degree, 0.009 into 10 to the power minus 3. Coefficient of viscosity depends upon temperature. Let's start our video of multiple choice questions. Question number 1. A long pipe of 4 cm radius has a construction of 2 cm radius at a certain place. Water is flowing through the pipe with a velocity of 3 meter per second. Calculate its velocity at the constriction. The options are A 12 meter per second, B 10 meter per second, C 8 meter per second, D 14 meter per second. The correct answer is A 12 meter per second. Hint: R1 equals to 4 centimeter. We have to change centimeter into meter. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. R2 equals to 2 centimeter equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. V1 equals to 3 meter per second. V2 equals to what? From the equation of continuity, A1 V1 equals to A2 V2, or pi R1 square into V1 equals to pi R2 square into V2, or V2 equals to R1 को whole square by R2 को whole square times V1 equals to 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 को whole square by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 को whole square into 3 equals to 12 meter per second. Question number 2. A Reynolds number is low for A. Low velocity, B. Low density, C. High viscosity, D. All of above. The correct answer is D. All of above. Hint: Vc equals to R eta by rho R. Therefore, R equals to Vc rho R by eta. Question number 3. The level of water in a tank is 5 meter high. A hole of area 1 centimeter square is made at the bottom of the tank. The rate of leakage of water from the hole initially is option A 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second, B 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube per second, C 10 to the power 10 meter cube per second, D 10 to the power minus 2 meter cube per second. The correct answer is A 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. Hint: volume of water leakage per second equals to AB equals to A into root under 2GH equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 into root under 2 into 10 into 5 equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. Question number 4. The terminal velocity of a droplet is 5 cm per second. If 27 such droplet clutches to form a big drops, the terminal velocity will be option A 5 cm per second, B 15 cm per second, C 45 cm per second, D 135 cm per second. The correct answer is C 45 cm per second, since V is directly proportional to R square. So V1 by V2 equals to R1 by R2 को whole square. Therefore V2 equals to R2 by R1 को whole square times V1 equals to n को power 1 by 3 into R by R whole को square into 5 equals to 27 को power 1 by 3 whole को square 2 into 5 equals to 9 into 5 equals to 45 cm per second. Question number 5. Water flows through a hole of area 1 mm square made at the bottom of the vessel. If water comes out with velocity 2 meter per second, the instantaneous height of a water in the vessel is option A 5 cm, B 10 cm, C 20 cm, D 40 cm. Correct answer is C 20 centimeter. Hint: V equals to root under 2 GH. Therefore, eta equals to B square by 2G equals to 2 को power 2 by 2 into 10 equals to 20 centimeter. Question number 6. As the depth of a river increases, then velocity of flow A increases, B decreases, C remains unchanged, D increases in summer and decreases in winter. The correct answer is B decreases. Hint: since the pressure increases with depth and where there is more pressure, speed is low. Question number 7. There is a hole of area A at the bottom of a cylindrical vessel. Water is filled up to a height h and water comes out in t second. If the water is filled up to a length of 9 h, water will come out in time option A t second, B 90 second, C 3t second, D t by 9 second. The correct answer is C 3t second. Question number 8. A liquid is flowing in a tube under a streamline flow. If the radius of the tube is doubled, the rate of flow becomes option A 4 times, B 16 times, C 2 times, D 1 by 4 times. The correct answer is B 16 times. Question number 9. In a wide river, the velocity of water at the middle is option A increase with depth, B is same everywhere, C decreases right depth, D is 0. The correct answer is C decrease right depth. Question number 10. Water is flowing in a non-uniform tube. At a point the radius is 0.2 cm and velocity of water 32 cm per second. At another point the radius is 0.4 cm and velocity of water is option A 2 cm per second, B 4 cm per second, C 8 cm per second, D 16 cm per second. The correct answer is C 8 cm per second. Question number 11. A cylinder of height 20 meter is completely filled with water. The velocity of E of flux of water in meter per second through a small hole on the side wall of the cylinder near its bottom is option A 10, B 20, C 25.5, D 5. The correct answer is B 20. Question number 12. At what speed the velocity head of water is equal to pressure head of 40 cm of Hg? Option A 10.3 meter per second, B 2.8 meter per second, C 5.6 meter per second, D 8.4 meter per second. The correct answer is A 10.3 meter per second. Question number 13. Viscosity of an ideal liquid is option A 1, B 0.5, C undefined, D 0. The correct answer is D 0. Question number 14. The critical velocity for a non-viscous fluid is A 0, B undefined, C small but not 0, D elevatory. The correct answer is A 0. Question number 15. A raindrop of radius r has a terminal velocity v meter per second in air. Viscous force on it is F. If the radius of drop be 2r and the drop falls with terminal velocity in same air, the viscous force on it will be option A F, B F by 2, C 4F, D 8F. The correct answer is D 8F.